How to lock mouse on screen in Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, I'll show you how you can keep your mouse cursor inside the Roblox game window. It's easy to do. So first of all, you need to start the Roblox game that you want to play and then tap on Open Roblox Game Client. Once the Roblox is opened, tap on the Roblox logo in the top left corner of the screen by pressing the escape key or directly in the logo. After that, go to Settings that you will find between People and Captures. Now hover your mouse to Shift Lock switch and make sure that it's turned on by clicking the arrows until it says on. After you've enabled Shift Lock, close the Settings menu and now press the Shift key on your keyboard. Now if you press the Shift key on your keyboard, this will lock your mouse cursor inside the Roblox game. Now you can play without your mouse accidentally moving off screen. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.